With Retriever's v12 update, you're able to bring your own API key from Google or to use Gemini and use our extension for free. So we even have a suggested prompt there. If you just click the button, we'll open Google's AI Studio and go through guide the agent to go through the steps of generating the API key for you. Here we're using the Google's default free tier project, and the extension will do everything for you. You just have to click that button at the beginning, and if you haven't consented to Google, it will go ahead and consent to Google's AI Studio, even that for you. See, it generated the key, and it will onboard itself into the settings, this key, and save it for you. So you see the keys here, it's already configured to be enabled, and you can just go ahead and start using it. So the rate limits that Google provides is 10 requests per minute and 500 requests per day. And if at any time you get rate limited, you will fall back to our own key, and you deduct the call from your credits. So the key thing here, though, is that there's only 250K tokens per minute, 250K tokens per minute, and that might be problematic on large websites such as Amazon, with a lot of tokens, or if you're doing parallel requests, parallel workflows. But no worries. If just to ensure you have enough credits, our own credits. So if you go to like our pricing tier, so you can see it's a flat 0.01 credit per step if you bring your own API key, for example, from using AI Studio, or if you have your own Gemini key. And now we'll give you 100 free credits per month, so you can use up to 10,000 workflow steps with Retriever for free per month. So for example, if I'm just here and I say scrape the pricing and get Retriever to scrape the pricing information using that new API key we've just created and enabled, this will go through that free tier key, and it will only cost 0.01 credits for that entire action. So you see it already extracted all this information, and as soon as it's done, we have the Google Sheet that it got created, and we can see in the task details how much it costs. So you see, probably there was 2 LLM calls associated with this, so then that's why it's like 0.02 credits instead of 0.01. It's a little variable. And now with this new update, you also have a referral program. So if you can share the referral code to invite someone to use the extension and tell them to use the code. So for example, I have this invitation code and I can just redeem it, and now I'll be both me and the referrer will get 250 credits for free. So it got updated, and this is a really big incentive for you to refer up to 10 people, and you can get up to 2,500 credits by referring. And that no longer will the credits be reset. They're always incremental, so it'll always be 100 credits per month, and you can use this 2,500 credits the entire year, for example, over the course of the entire year. We're really hoping with this update, Retriever will be for a mass audience, and you will be for a lot of people to try it out and use it for free. And we're excited to see the use cases. Thank you so much.